Our criminal justice system ends up being a pipeline from underfunded, inadequate schools to overcrowded jails.
70% of students arrested by law enforcement in school are Black or Latino. 68% of all men in state and federal prison have not had the chance to graduate from high school.
The question is, but how do we make sure that those same kind of institutional supports are there for kids and teenagers before they get into the criminal justice system?
When a kid gets in trouble at school, we used to send them to the principal's office. Now we're suspending, expelling, or even arresting kids for the smallest misbehaviors. This trend is called the school-to-prison pipeline. There are pipelines all across the country.
Zero-tolerance policies in public schools are resulting in more kids landing in juvenile hall. And studies show poor minority students are getting caught in the so-called school-to-prison pipeline.
Her daughter was punished at school because of her hair color,
leaving a Muslim high school student handcuffed and humiliated over an innocent science project.
Dozens were suspended for wearing hoodies to school.
School looks like built like the precinct in the booking.
Like some schools have metal detectors and all the security guards, the police officers, basically it's like preparing us for if we go to jail.
You need bodies in that prison. You're going to either criminalize more behaviors or you're going to ensure that you have those bodies from a younger and younger age, and that's what the school-to-prison pipeline does.
And there was a fight with people I know, and I was trying to break it up. I had got a 90-day suspension for it.
A lot of problems with the high school systems today is getting inside the high schools at first. Like, you're missing out on educational time just trying to get through security, just trying to get through the metal detectors, getting through armed guards, you know what I mean? Signing in, swiping your ID, you're late for your first period class, you're missing out on your education. And it's really intimidating. You know, it leaves the students with a sort of hostility. As soon as they wake up in the morning, people are tired. You know, I mean, we're coming in 7 o'clock in the morning, and you know what I mean, bright and early out of our beds to go through a hassle. Like, it's basically like airport security to get into your high school, you know what I mean? And it leaves kids messed up in the morning, feeling groggy and, you know, not even half awake.
Here are 3 solutions to the problem. 1. Police should not be the first responders to school issues. School police officers have often been accused of excessive force against students, such as when school police officer Joshua Kem body slammed a 12-year-old girl who was having a dispute with another student. 2. Increase the number of counselors in schools. In California, there is only 1 guidance counselor for every 945 students. It is therefore impossible for every child to get adequate care. 3. Find alternative disciplinary practices. Discipline in schools should be more focused on conflict resolution rather than punishment.